Welcome to the Spellbinders Glimmer Hot Foil Kit of the Month for May 2024 Tropical Bloom. Included in the bundle is one large hot foil plate of a beautiful bloom, plus 2 sentiments with coordinating dies. The sentiments include thinking of you and sending best wishes. Now let's make a card. Using a piece of fruit punch cardstock cut to 5.5 by 8.5, trim out matte gold glimmer foil with the Spellbinders shears. Use the Glimmer Hot Foil system to hot foil your design and sentiment. Ink blend over your foil design using bright pink and purple inks with a blending brush. Wipe away any excess ink left over on the foil. Then take the Mirrored Arch Labels die and die cut out your foil design to fit within the frame. For the background of the card, create a panel from white cardstock and the embossing folder of the month for May called Lattice Work. Adhere to the front of a side folding card base using the Spellbinders tape runner. Adhere your mirrored arch panel to the center. Add foam squares to the back of your sentiment and attach to the front of your card. To add a little bling to your project, use some peach opalescent sequins which I poured out into a heart-shaped pinch bowl and then adhered down with liquid glue and an embellishment tool. Thank you for joining Spellbinders Club Kits.